In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a column type in Microsoft Lists. We'll dive into a step-by-step guide to ensure this process is smooth and straightforward. So, grab a seat and let's get started. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Microsoft Lists and hit Enter. Once you're on the Microsoft Lists web page, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the Sign In button. Give that a click. Now, it's time to sign in. Enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account, followed by your password. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll have access to your lists. Navigate and open up the specific list in which you want to change the column type. Once inside your list, you'll see the option to +Add column. Click on this to create a fresh column. Why, you might ask, are we adding a new column instead of just changing the existing one? It's simply because the most reliable way to modify a column's type in Microsoft Lists is by crafting a new one, transferring the necessary data, and then eliminating the old column. This approach ensures that we have a clean and efficient transition. Now that you're adding a new column, it's crucial to choose the correct column type that fits the data you aim to store. Whether it's a text, number, date, or another type, make sure you're selecting appropriately. Once chosen, you'll also need to configure its settings. When everything looks good and is suitably set, go ahead and click Save. To facilitate the data transfer, switch to the grid view, also known as Quick Edit. You can locate this option on the command bar at the top of your list. This view allows you to easily copy and paste data, much like handling a spreadsheet. In Grid View, head over to your old column. Copy the data from each cell in this column and paste it into the corresponding cells of your newly created column. Once the transfer is complete, exit the Grid View. Returning to the normal view ensures everything has copied over correctly. Now comes the final steps of cleanup. Click on the header of your old column. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Column Settings, followed by Edit. In the Edit pane, you'll see several options, but what you're looking for is the Delete button, typically located at the bottom. Click Delete to remove the old column. And just like that, you've changed the column type in Microsoft Lists. This method ensures your data remains intact and organized correctly within the new column settings. Hopefully, this guide has made the process clear and manageable. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video tutorial.